I never bought washing powder. Easy tip, and that removes dirt from all clothes. This tip is simple and at a very low cost. You will always use to remove stains from clothes. In a bucket, I will add a liter of water. I'm using water at room temperature. If you prefer, you can use warm water. It will be even easier to remove the stains. Now I will also add 5 tablespoons of multi-purpose disinfectant. I'm using this, but it can be your preference. Finally, I will use 2 tablespoons of salt. Only with these ingredients can you remove stains from all tissues. I'll mix well until I dilute all the salt. This tip costs very little, and for sure you have the ingredients in your house. It can be used mainly for the cloths used in the kitchen and even cloths used on the floor. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Kay Hemmings from Australia. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. All stains come out easily. Just rubbing, without much effort, comes out all dirt. With this mixture, it is even possible to soak for some time, and will be more practical in removing dirt. Have you ever used salt for cleaning fabrics? This cloth easily removes all stains just by rubbing. If you are going to use for cleaning more parts, you should also increase the amount of items used. It is so simple that as soon as the dirt comes out, we should only rinse with plenty of water and put to dry. The easiest tip you could learn for stain removal. The result of this cloth is incredible, and I let it soak in the mixture for only an hour. All fabrics. You will be able to remove the stains quickly. I'm sure you'll thank me. Tell me later if you had the result you expected with this tip. I appreciate that you have watched this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.